welcome to episode number 9 of the PowerPlatform Did You Know series. This week we're coming to you from beautiful Microsoft Technology Center, where we're having a nice conversation at a bus stop. And this week I have with me Nelson. Hi Nelson.
Hey Ron, great to be here. Hi everyone, my name is Nelson Lopez. I'm the Partner Technology Architect for Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement for Microsoft Canada.
Awesome. So guys, this week the content is definitely more focused for our Dynamics 365 community. And specifically, the session that we're talking about is a session called Dynamics 365 Upgrades and Updates that was delivered during the Business Application Summit in Seattle back in July. And also one of the main topics that they covered in this session is around why a customer should upgrade from the 8.x version of the Dynamics 365 platform to the latest 9.0 version of the platform. Can you just help us understand a little bit why?
Yeah, there's basically two reasons why, Ron. First of all, a big, beautiful new user interface that improves readability, usability, and accessibility. Accessibility is really important to Microsoft these days. But if you look at the user experience, what we've done there in this new unified interface is we've removed a lot of the white space. We've also minimized the amount of screen real estate that the business process flow takes up. We've done a number of different improvements, like boxing in a number of different fields so that it's just easier to see. All the same information is there. We've improved the navigation, so the navigation is redesigned. And in one unified interface across desktop, mobile, and tablet. And the second reason is around extensibility and app platform enhancements, including improvements around security and data management. So those are two big reasons.
Cool. Awesome. Well guys, enjoy the session. As always, please let us know what you think. We always want to know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like us to cover in the future. So until next time, enjoy and thanks for watching.